Is your TikTok frozen, refusing to load, or just plain not working? Don't smash your phone. This video will walk you through proven fixes to get you back to your For You page ASAP. First, the simplest solution: force close the TikTok app. On iPhone, swipe up from the bottom and hold to reveal the app switcher. Then, swipe up on the TikTok preview to close it completely. On Android, the process varies, but usually involves accessing the recent apps menu and swiping the TikTok app away. This clears the app's current state and often fixes minor glitches. If that didn't work, let's check your internet connection. Open your phone's settings app and go to the Wi-Fi section. Make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi network with a strong signal. Try toggling Wi-Fi off and then on again. If you're using mobile data, ensure you have a strong signal and that TikTok has permission to use mobile data in your phone's settings. Next, let's update the TikTok app. Head over to the App Store on iOS or the Google Play Store on Android. Search for TikTok and see if there's an update available. Updates often include bug fixes and performance improvements that can resolve the issue. If an update is available, tap the update button and wait for it to download and install. If updating didn't do the trick, clear TikTok's cache. Go to your phone's settings, then find the Apps or Application Manager section. Locate TikTok in the list of installed apps. Tap on TikTok and then select Storage. Now, tap the Clear Cache button. This removes temporary files that can sometimes cause problems. Clearing the cache won't delete your drafts or saved videos, so don't worry. If clearing the cache doesn't resolve the issue, you can try clearing the data, but be warned. This will reset the app and you'll need to log back in. In the same storage section where you cleared the cache, you'll see a Clear Data button. Tap it. A warning message will appear, explaining that this will delete app data. If you're okay with logging back in, tap OK or Confirm. This is a more drastic measure, but it often fixes persistent problems. Finally, if all else fails, try uninstalling and reinstalling the TikTok app. This is like giving the app a fresh start. Press and hold the TikTok app icon on your home screen, and then tap Uninstall or Delete App. Once it's uninstalled, go back to the App Store or Google Play Store and reinstall TikTok. After reinstalling, log in with your account, and hopefully, everything will be working smoothly again. So, which of these solutions worked for you? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.